Jamaican
watch
woman
this.
sends warning after goat
At
stolen.
fellowship. Hello? You may talk to. Uno de on camera here. Uno on camera. The person who took the goat them yesterday, a black and white one, a brown and white one, and a full white one. Uno on camera. And me I give you the opportunity to bring back my goat them, sir. Me I give you the opportunity to bring back my goat them because you know on camera and now make me have to post you know up. And now make me have to bring it to the station because you know yourself and me know you know. You know the on camera. When a thief goat and not even realize say which one a thief goat them on the on camera. Eh? Me ask you please to bring back my goat them. Or else me going to bring the footage to the station. And when time I bring the footage to the station, the police them go see you know. Yeah? Me not say nothing more. Just make sure you bring back my goat them. Cause if me not bring back my goat them, me bring the police to you know. Anyone on them me I go find you know, cause we have on camera. And me I go post the video on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, everywhere so people can see Uno. Uno two thief man. Uno know how hard, you know how long me have them go out there? 3 of them too, you know. Out of 4, 3 of them on the thief, you know. Me have Uno on camera. And me I go catch you know. We are gonna get to know. And me I go post it up on TikTok if we don't bring back my goat them. Yeah?